think history has an image problem. People think that it's all just sort of a list of names and dates, when in fact it's about this robust and dynamic and incredibly complex and engaging arena of human experience. There's one other part of the image problem that I think that history has. You could call it a second image problem. That is that people think that history is only about the past. Here's a slightly humorous kind of rendition of how people might think about the past. It doesn't really matter. Some stuff happened. There was a period of boom, and now here we are all, swapping videos on TikTok of cats or puppies or whatever it may be. Who really needs to know about any of that stuff in the past? People think history is just about the past. And after all, when the pace of change, as we're all experiencing it right now in our lives, is as fast as it is, it may seem like the past is even less relevant than ever. But I think this is a fundamental misconception about what history is and what the study of history can do for you as a citizen, as a mind, as a student, and more. And that is that what history is really about is the study of time, of being in time. And all of us exist in time. It's a dimension of our experience, that of our communities, that of our nations, that of our planet. History is the study of time, and as such, it is as much about the present, indeed even the future, as it is about the past. Every single one of us is a historical actor, in the sense that every single one of us moves through time. I like this quote from Ernest Hemingway: "Today is only one day in all the days that will ever be. But what will happen in all the other days that ever come can depend on what you do today." It could be that something that you see today will stick with you and guide you for, the coming week, month, year, and beyond. It might be that somebody that you meet today will become a friend of yours for a long time to come. It might be that something that happens in the world today will end up having ramifications for many of us, either immediately or in the future. And what's more, not only are we all sort of living in history and all of us historical actors, we are also all, whether we know it or not, historians in a manner of speaking. That is because we are all making decisions all the time on the basis of the evidence that we have before us, and we are all the time facing or assessing the consequences of our choices as they are made in the element of time.